Hello everyone, today's topic is PySpark course. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss about PySpark course. Roadmap, about course eligibility criteria, roles and responsibilities, salaries, training program. About course, a PySpark course is a full-fledged course that aims at equipping learners with the knowledge and skills required to process and analyze large-scale data using Apache Spark with Python. PySpark, which is the Python API for Apache Spark, brings big data processing and distributed computing quickly and efficiently, becoming one of the most critical tools in the collection of any data engineer, data scientist, or analyst working with massive datasets. This course covers the core concepts of Spark architecture, RDDs, resilient distributed datasets, data frames, Spark SQL, and Spark streaming. Advanced topics include machine learning with MLlib, graph processing with GraphX, and performance optimization techniques. They have practical experience in PySpark, such as handling structured and unstructured data, carrying out ETL, extract, transform, and load operations, and optimizing queries in large-scale data analytics. At the end of the course, trainees will be able to design scalable data pipelines, perform large-scale data analysis, and implement machine learning models using PySpark. Ideal for data engineers, analysts, and professionals who aim to improve their skills in big data and stay ahead in this rapidly changing landscape of data science and analytics. Learners will be able to build scalable data pipelines, perform large-scale data analysis, and implement machine learning models using PySpark by the end of this course. Eligibility criteria for PySpark course: basic understanding of programming languages like Python. Familiarity with SQL and database concepts is beneficial. A background in computer science, data engineering, or related fields is preferred. No prior experience with big data frameworks is required, but enthusiasm to learn is essential. Basic knowledge of mathematics, especially statistics and linear algebra, is helpful. Open to professionals and students interested in big data analytics and data engineering careers. Ideal for individuals seeking to transition into data engineering roles or enhance existing skills in large-scale data processing. Here are some of the roles and responsibilities of the PySpark course. Data engineer: develop and optimize data pipelines, process large datasets, and integrate PySpark with cloud platforms. Data scientist: use PySpark for big data analytics, machine learning, MLlib, and predictive modeling. Big data analyst: perform data aggregation, transformation, and real-time analysis using Spark SQL and data frames. Machine learning engineer: train ML models on large datasets, build recommendation systems, and optimize Spark MLlib pipelines. Cloud and DevOps engineer: deploy PySpark applications on AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, manage Spark streaming, and monitor clusters. Software engineer: big data focus, develop ETL workflows, automate data workflows, and optimize Spark scripts for performance. Here are the roles and salaries for PySpark training course. Data engineer: develops and maintains data pipelines using PySpark. Average salary: $110,000 per year, $80,000, $150,000. Data scientist: analyzes big data and builds models with PySpark MLlib. Average salary: $120,000 per year, $90,000, $160,000. Machine learning engineer: builds and optimizes ML models with PySpark. Average salary: $125,000 per year, $95,000, $170,000. Big data analyst: performs large-scale data analysis using Spark SQL and data frames. Average salary: $100,000 per year, $75,000, $140,000. Cloud and DevOps engineer: manages PySpark applications in cloud environments. Average salary: $130,000 per year, $100,000, $180,000. Software engineer: big data focus, develops ETL workflows and optimizes Spark scripts. Average salary: $115,000 per year, $85,000, $160,000. Training program: the GoLogica Complete PySpark training course equips you with the skills to handle big data processing and distributed computing effectively. Through hands-on practice with Apache Spark and Python, You will gain expertise in data engineering, analytics, and machine learning. This course covers key concepts like Spark RDDs, data frames, Spark SQL, MLLIB, and real-time data streaming, ensuring you master industry-relevant skills. Upon successful completion, you will receive a certification that validates your expertise, enhancing your job prospects. GoLogica also provides resume-building assistance to highlight your new skills and interview Q&A sessions to prepare you for real-world job opportunities. Designed for both beginners and professionals, this course allows you to learn flexibly with expert guidance. Whether you aim to transition into a big data role or upskill in PySpark, this training empowers you to advance your career and stay ahead in the fast-evolving data industry.